This is the Galaxy S25 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the camera shutter sound. There are two ways to do it, but the first way you might not be able to do it because of the laws of your country. The first way to do it is to go to the camera app and then tap the quick controls, go to the settings and look for a camera shutter option here. Again, if you don't find it, it's because it's forbidden to have this option on the camera app in your country, so you have to do it the second way. And to do it is just press the volume button at the side of your phone and then tap the three dots here and mute the system volume, and that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.